Welcome, in front of me is an LG K11 and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So before we get started, there is one thing that we will need, which is a SIM eject tool, as I have one right here. Now if you can't find one, you can always use something like a paper clip. Just straighten out one of the edges and it will work just as well. So from there you want to push out the tray, which is located on the upper right side right here. As you can see where the pin is holding. Push it in and you'll see that the tray pops out. And from here you'll have access to 2 SIM cards and 1 SD card. So let's just place the SD card like so and SIM card like so. Now for some reason the second SD card goes the other way around, so you would have to flip it around and I think put it like this. Or no, it's not even a tray, so never mind. So it only has one SIM card and 1 SD card. So you place it like so, and then slide it back to the device. We should be probably blocked by the SIM card's pin. No, it looks like the device automatically reboots after you insert it, so once it reboots I will be blocked by the pin. Let's see. Let's unlock it. There we go. So there's the pin, which I'm pretty sure I don't know. Let's see. Nope. Ooh, and there's the POOK, which I most certainly do not know. So as you can see, the SIM card is most certainly working in terms of blocking me, and the SD card should be working as well. Now I'm gonna just take out the SIM card and leave the SD card. So let's see. Hopefully it doesn't reset again. There's the power button. There we go. So you can also see the icon for the SD card, which is right here. So you can clearly see that both of them are working just fine. And this is how you would insert SIM and SD card into the device. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.